Not like that.
So we came to Yellowstone finally, and as soon as we came, there is no power for the next 3 days. So we are equipping ourselves with preparing for power, and in the night the temperature might drop out to like 41. So this is the heater, and because the bears can show up, we are having the bear can, and we prepared our tent here. And because we did not have a tarp, we had to go back and buy a new tarp. Finally we are ready to light up the lighter. Although this was easy, it took longer time than any other. So we are in KOA, and then the rain only started. Then we run behind things to get the rain flies in place. However, we could not able to set, but we did what we could. We had to run behind things. So that is the attempt. The rain is still continuing. So these guys are trying to make fire in the rain. But here the mosquitoes are not able to make a different distinction between bison and us. They are biting us also like a bison.